High blood pressure affects over 60% of older adults, and it's a major risk factor for stroke and heart attack. Also, heart diseases are a leading cause of illness and death. Signs of hypertensive crisis, that is, a very high blood pressure, include severe headache, vision changes, chest pain, shortness of breath, or confusion. If this is happening, treat it as an emergency. Signs of a heart attack include chest pain or pressure, pain that radiates to the arm, to the jaw, or to the center of the back, sweating, nausea, shortness of breath. Older adults may have different symptoms, like weakness and confusion. If the person is not allergic, medical professionals will usually recommend one aspirin tablet, chewed and swallowed. Signs of stroke include facial droop, arm weakness, speech difficulty, sudden severe headache, or vision problem. We use what is known as the FAST test, that is face, arm, speech, time to go to hospital. If any of these are present, call emergency services immediately. Time-sensitive treatments save lives.